Hey, it's Peter and thanks for clicking. I really appreciate it. It will please you to know that out of the countless number of ways to make money online, one of the easiest ways to make money online is when you publish your skills and your services on websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and a lot more related sites. And you can start to provide your own services as a freelancer. That is why in this video today, I will be revealing to you the 5 Fiverr services and gigs that when you have them published, you can begin to make money online even if you claim to have no skills and absolutely zero knowledge. What I'm getting ready to tell you about works virtually worldwide, and then you can actually begin to make money online today even if you have no skills and zero knowledge. Before we continue, if you do appreciate me for posting this video for you for free on YouTube, then like this video so that this video gets to 1000 likes as fast as possible. Now, with all that being said and done, let us get started with today's video proper. The number 1 Fiverr gig on our list that requires no skills and zero knowledge that you can actually use to make money online today is commenting on blogs. Do you know that just anyone can go to a blog post and leave a comment? Well, let me show you how you can actually make money online commenting on blog posts. Head over to fiverr.com and then we go to the search bar and search for blog comments. When we hit on search, you will see that a whole number of people are offering these services and they are making money online from it. The cool thing is that you also can provide this service where you get to comment on other people's blog posts and make money online doing just that. Let us take as an example. Here is a blog of a client and he has asked me to leave a comment on this blog post, say twice or 3 times in a week using different accounts. My job here is simple. All that is needed of me is just to go to the blog post and read the article and head down to the comment section and leave a comment. When I get to do this with 3 different accounts, I get paid. Imagine the simplicity of this. You just need to have this simple service provided by commenting on other people's blog posts and then creating more backlinks for the owner on one hand, and then you get paid on the other hand. This is a win-win situation. The number 2 Fiverr gig on our list that requires no skill and zero knowledge that you can use to make money online today is background removal. So if you don't have a Photoshop skill or other complicated softwares for removing background, or you don't know your way around images and stuffs like that, you need not to worry, as I will show you how you can do this very quickly. But then, before we go into that, if you go to fiverr.com and on the search bar, type in the word background removal, you will see that a good number of people are offering this background removal service. Let me show you a simple way to remove background images with just a click of a button. Just head over to a website called canva.com. By the way, Canva is a website where you can design practically anything at all, ranging from posters, ebooks, flyers, patterns, and so on. The list is endless. Go to this place that says create a design and let us open this on an empty sheet just to show you very quickly how things work. I will then pick an image of mine which has its own background. What I would do simply is to click on this image at the top right here and then effect, and then I click on remove background, and in less than 5 seconds the background has been removed. I will simply resize this image right here and then I click on share over here, and then I have it downloaded and I use it for my intended purpose. So instead of just doing this for your own images alone, you can offer this as a service on Fiverr and then you get paid handsomely doing just that. So you create a gig on fiverr.com, go to canva.com and do the job for free, and then you submit it to your client and then you smile to the bank. The number 3 Fiverr gig on our list that requires no skill and zero knowledge that you can use to make money online today is providing HTML ad services. Let me show you what HTML ads look like. Let's go to this website right here. If you look at the right hand panel over here, you will see some ads showing up. This type of ads are called HTML ads. Now, a customer may ask that you design an ad for them so that they can have it published on their website, or he needs an ad for the Google ad campaign that he has in mind. But the problem now is that you may not be a designer and you may be bothered on how you can have this ads design. What you simply need to do is to go to this website that is practically dedicated to creating very attractive banners. And the cool thing is that it is very easy and simple to use. What you need to do to get started is to log into your account if you have one already. But if you don't have one already, simply sign up by clicking on the sign up button. I will then create a design. Take a look at this right here. There are different dimensions and sizes of templates for either Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, and a lot more. Let us just select a random dimension right here. Once that is selected, a blank canvas appears, and then on the right side here we have different templates to choose from, which is actually based on the size or the dimension of the design that we have chosen. Then we pick one of these right here. That's it. We then make changes to fit our brand or that which your client has contracted you to do. Then you hit on the download and then choose either the HTML file or you can publish it directly using an embedded code. So what you do is to give out this code that you have to your client or your customer. This is so cool because you don't need to have any form of experience to do this, and you make money online doing just that. The number 4 Fiverr gig on our list that requires no skill and zero knowledge that you can use to make money online today is Arbitrage Services. Let me tell you more about what Arbitrage Services mean very quickly. When we talk of Fiverr arbitrage, what we simply mean is the process where you find where you can get gigs or services done for you for a very low amount, then resell this same gig or services to someone else at a higher amount, and then you get paid, and then you get to keep the profit. Here is how it works. When you go to a website such as fiverr.com, and let us say you're looking for a graphic design, and this graphic design in particular costs $5 on fiverr.com as an example, then you go to another marketplace, say Upwork, and then you publish a similar gig of graphic design for a higher amount, say $20. When someone orders the gig from you on Upwork and pays you $20, simply go to Fiverr and have the order fulfilled for $5, and then you deliver this same gig to your client on Upwork for $20, and then you pocket the balance, which is actually $15. Here is what I want you to do. Find a service or a gig here on Fiverr and then create the same kind of service or gig on another freelancing site for a higher amount and make money online with no experience and no skills whatsoever. You just need to be the plug between one website and the other and you are good to go. The number 5 gig or service on our list that requires no skill and zero knowledge that you can actually use to make money online today is providing SEO reports. You may wonder what exactly SEO means. Before we get into that, head over to fiverr.com yet again and type in the search bar SEO and hit on search, and you will see a whole lot of persons offering this same service as SEO report. Real people such as yourself offering this same service called SEO or SEO report, as the case may be. This SEO report shows to them what is wrong with their website and show to them how to fix that which is wrong in their website. This way, they get to rank on search engines. For those who may not know, an SEO simply means search engine optimization. This is also a strategy that enables your website or that of your clients to rank on Google search or related search engine, and they get free and organic traffic as a result. Now, how can you provide an in-depth SEO report if you have no knowledge? Let me help you out on that. Just head over to this website called SEO Analyzer. You will notice that this website instantly analyzes issues that are related to SEO. It helps to identify your SEO mistakes and better optimize the content in your website. So what you need to do is to go to the website fiverr.com, set up a gig or service as an SEO analyzer. Then when your client actually gives you the job to do, come over to this website called SEO Analyzer, insert their website's address and the tool right here will do every other thing for you, providing you with the SEO report that is required. As an example, let us put a website right here called 247cashdollar.com, and I click right here on review. All you need to do next is to wait for less than a minute, and the website will be fully analyzed and the in-depth report will be provided for you, and you give the same in-depth report to your customers and you get paid for it. These details tells you the strength of the website, which will then enable your clients to better optimize their website. Just click right here on download reports, and this report will be given to you in a PDF format, and you deliver the same to the person who actually requested for it. These 5 ideas that I've shown to you requires no experience and they require no skills on your own part. You can start today working online and make money for yourself. If you gained any value at all from this video, give this video a like. Also stay subscribed to this channel for more value packed content, and then leave me a comment in the comment section below if you have any at all. And if you want more details about how to make money on Fiverr, I have a playlist that is showing up right here that will walk you through the process. Click to watch, and I'll see you next time.